Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use JDownloader 2 to download files easily on your PC. So let's get started. First, make sure you have JDownloader 2 installed on your computer. Once it's installed, open the application. Now open your web browser and go to any website where you want to download a file. For this example, let's search for wallpapers on Google and open any website that offers downloadable files. Once you're on the website, select the file you want to download. Before downloading, make sure the website provides a proper download link, such as original download or download. This is important because JDownloader works with direct download links. Normally, if you click the download button, the file will start downloading in your browser. But instead, right-click on the download button or link and select Copy Link Address or Copy Link, depending on your browser. Now switch back to JDownloader 2. Go to the Downloads tab, right-click anywhere inside the window, and select Add New Links. JDownloader will automatically detect the link you copied. Now click Continue. The file will be added to your download list. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.